guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, muad to tag Walmart kay mangita mi og barbecue grill mga higala. Kung makakita mi og gamay anang brato-bratohon ra kay og dako mahal magud kaayo, so kuyogi mi mga higala. Og nagpaabot pa ko nila ni Daddy og RJ kay napa sa loob, napa sa sulod sa balay. So kung maghintay pa ko dito mga higala ra. There is Walmart. There's a gardens here. We here now guys. Look like have that there in the other side.
The window they just open still open. Daddy.
There is Walmart. No more grill here, maybe in Home Depot.
Soon you'll be.
Here it is. Okay guys, we parking now here. Let's go inside. Looking for water, Daddy. So here.
Welcome to the heat.
Welcome to the heat. RJ is so hot. Yes. Yes. Where's the coffee that like Daddy?
This is what he wants. But it's also it's big box.
Yeah, it's big.
And also it's decaf.
Yeah. There is water. Have no water with you here, Anna?
So beautiful.
There is. This I like. And this small.
It's narrow that small.
64.
Why are we getting two grills?
Ito, grill sa ito.
Why is this crooked?
No, we have one grill at our home.
No, that is a gas. This is for charcoal.
This is what's out from the Smiths.
I like that.
The grill.
Look, this is my seat tilted. Look at that.
This is like an oven.
There is so big. 400. Look at this grill. 297.
Why did
What's that?
Howard grill.
It's too much. It's so big, RJ.
how do you do this way?
Only small. Much better that
Look
the.
at this one. Some fried eggs and pancakes.
Look at this.
Why would you fry pancakes?
It's so big, RJ.
No.
Americana grills. Americana grills, RJ. This I need, RJ. And have there so big. And there. Okay guys, this we got $64. There it is.
Can't do this.
You already have the charcoal?
Here it is. They're not in the cart. We're looking for a charcoal. Charcoal.
What's charcoal? What is charcoal?
It's a wood, RJ.
Wood
Wood charcoal.
charcoal.
Wood chip.
Yeah, I want wood charcoal.
Good luck. I'm gonna go.
I not want that charcoal. So money lang charcoal here. Mga higala charcoal. We look at this. What's this charcoal here? Oh my goodness. I like natural charcoal. What's that? There is. There's the apparel. There's the apparel for big, the kids, RJ.
You gonna be here?
Yep. There is.
How about you get working?
Yeah.
You work in there.
You work in here. Okay, here is apparel
I don't want any shirts or.
for men and kids, for boys. Okay, let's go now in the counter. There's a feeding room there. In there. There we go. There is
Don't break.
what?
Air.
Yep, yeah, for air vent. Yep.
I walk it backwards.
We buy now a charcoal
I
grill.
walk backwards.
Basic.
Oh. Okay guys, we done to Walmart, so we going to WinCo now. We get charcoal.
The gallery.
What gallery, RJ?
It says it's a gallery.
Okay, RJ. We're now in Ducks Bros Coffee. Daddy want to buy coffee here. I'm going to WinCo later. Here is a coffee, Daddy. It's here, super hot.
What's up?
Yep. And we're going to WinCo now. So ito na tayo sa loob ng WinCo guys. Sinahigala at ito ang charcoal ang binibili. Yan. Barbecue 100% natural. Yan. Ang aking binili 15 pounds at saka 9.98 ang presyo. Ito oh, smalls. Dito sa WinCo mga higala. Ito siya ang aking sila. Yan. Okay, nandito naman tayo. Magkaka tayo ng waffles. At dito naman tayo kukuha ng milk. Tayo ng half milk at saka 1 gallon na milk. 14. There's Daddy. Not here. There you go. There's Daddy here. Ooh. Lightning. I found charcoal, honey. It's cheaper than the Walmart, honey. Yeah, the natural charcoal. Oops.
He's just one of those guys that just want to keep talking to and talk his shit off, you know. And it's just great having my corner support. I asked you to please help us get to know Daniel.
My garbage now. Where's the call?
There he is. Up here.
Man, what is this thing?
Okay, RJ. know.
What the heck is this?
You know, go inside. Cause go inside now.
Does not look like charcoal.
You know. Go.
This bag is like so big. The bag is big.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put this in the back of the truck.
Oh yeah, we forgot.
Let's go get the food.
Yeah.
This bag's bigger than
There is the charcoal, honey. Oh. There you go.
No, wait. I need to put it in.
It's already done.
Yeah, no, I have to secure it. That's my job.
Okay. Secure, RJ. Whew. Ang init dito, even parang anong oras na? Is 8:39. Grabe, ang init, RJ. Okay guys, that's it for videos today guys, and see you next time. Bye.
Which I love, so that's gonna be a fun place.
Where is WinCo?
Yeah, there are very few campuses that are